Hello, this is a quick overview of the different calculation methods on Cashflow Portal when creating a distribution. The first calculation method here, waterfall based on distribution ownership, is the simplest calculation method and is also known as a simple pro rata split. You choose how much money and to which classes you'd like to distribute. So we could go distribute $10,000 to, say, only Class A here. And then each investor gets an amount based on their ownership. To control that ownership, first off, we can go to Edit Classes here, and we can see that there is this distribution share. So you can set this between different classes to control which class gets what percentage of the distribution. And then once the certain amount of money has been allocated to a specific class, within that class, investors get money based on their percent of that class or bucket for the distribution. The next calculation method is the waterfall based on preferred returns, upside, and share of distribution. This is the most advanced calculation method, and it supports complex waterfall structures. You choose how much money to distribute, and it calculates how much each class and each investor gets based on the chosen distribution waterfall. You can configure distribution waterfalls to match what's in your operating agreement by going to the Classes tab and clicking Edit Waterfalls. More information about editing and creating waterfalls can be found on our help desk here. Next up, we have Calculate for Preferred Return Payments. This is used to calculate how much you need to distribute to meet pref. Unlike the other calculation methods, you don't actually input a dollar amount, you just choose which classes you'd like to distribute to, and the system will determine how much each investor should receive to meet their pref. To set the pref rate, we go to Edit Classes here, and we look at a class. We can choose the preferred return type and input the preferred return rate here, in this case, 8%. You can also choose when it starts accruing. This can either be set when editing the class and will apply to all of the investments within this class, or you can go to an individual investment and set when this particular investment starts accruing pref by changing this field here. Next up, we have the Calculate for Interest Payments calculation method. This one actually works exactly the same as the Calculate for Preferred Return Payments method. Next, we have the Return Investment Amounts calculation method. This one just pays out each active investment's remaining capital balance. Each investment's capital balance is defined here on the investment level, and if this field is not shown here, it is the same as the invested amount field. Finally, we have the Custom Calculation method. This one allows you to either import a spreadsheet here, or if you don't import a spreadsheet, it just creates a distribution where each payment amount is set to 0. This allows you to manually enter payment amounts, which is useful if you want to pay only one or a couple investors. For more information about creating distributions, you can go to our help desk accessed here under the support option. This will take you to our help desk where you can click into distributions and find the topic you want to learn more about. You can also search for a specific topic here. Hopefully this clears it up and helps you choose which distribution method is right for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support at support@cashflowportal.com. Thank you.